A lip brush is a small, flat, synthetic bristle brush used to apply lipstick or lip gloss. Load both sides of the brush with the lip product. It is best to use a synthetic brush when applying wet or creamy pigments. Holding the brush flat, follow the natural edge of the lip line. Pay extra attention to the shape of the Cupid's bow. Then fill in the entire lip. Avoid the urge to rub your lips together. Your bottom lip is not the same shape as the top lip. To clean the brush, spray brush cleaner or a mixture of alcohol and water onto a tissue. On a flat surface, wipe the brush back and forth. Keep the brush flat, making sure not to bend the bristles. Repeat until all the pigment is left on the tissue. Be sure to properly store your brushes to ensure they last a long time.